My name's Daniel. Hey, stuck you in control. Don't control I. Leave me alone. For names, I'm Dan Omesa Momanyi. That is the home of Clement Momanyi. That is my Angola Moturi, Michira Moturi. We are here outside the house. Now, Father, we understand that the father of this home was not around. He passed on away long ago. Also, our father passed long ago. There is none there. So now, even our mothers, they are not there. Even we are living with some few.
What can you say about Hulder?
This Momanyi is my father. Momanyi. If we talk about Omesa, Omesa is my brother. He's my step brother. He's my step brother. Also, Pula, she's my daughter. Hulder, she's my daughter. Now, I'm very happy. We have been praying for her that to pass us, to be voted to win, to be a winner in the United States of America, Minneapolis. Now, we want to comment that is God's will. That is not our will. It is God's will. He has done it, and already He has shown us that we are readers from here. And the name Nyamisa Hulder, to be called Hulder, Nyamisa, Nyamisa, the son of Nyamisa, was Senior Chief Mobisa Ongeri. He's in the United States of America, in Canada. He's nowadays he's in Canada. Now, they are meeting there, hub there, Minneapolis. Now, I want to comment that we are very happy. All Kenyans are very happy. All tribes of people, they are very happy because we haven't met any ready to be a reader in Minneapolis in the United States of America. We are very happy. We thank everything for God, and God is going to assist us. Thank you for